So all this big shit is gonna be gone hopefully by tomorrow. We should be planning on doing that. This is from our first estate, so it's kind of a test of how we're gonna do it. It's kind of just bulk shit that doesn't move at all. So we're trying to toss it in the corner. This is our inbound, what we're trying to sell. We need a photo and list. That's where we need to hire people to help us out. We can do it, but our time kind of switched to the States. That's the big thing we're trying to do. If you have any ideas how to make this better or anything, more than willing to just listen.
All right.
I have no idea.
The easiest way to make it better is to have it not here.
Yeah.
And in the
Not
inventory.
here.
Yeah.
That's the first
Got
step for
it.
sure.
We buy one off, so all this stuff is sourced. So we go to like garage sales and estate sales and actually pick them out one at a time. Margins are good, but again, it's just one-off random items all the time. That's where we're going to the States because it's just more bulk and there's more cash in that too.
So if you want, I can also show you like a tour of our inventory so you can kind of see where things are.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so we have guns over here. We have camera stuff. All of these clear bins over here. We have like jade, silver, china, like that kind of stuff all around here. And all this kind of stuff, and it kind of like mixes into more electronics. We have like power tools, random miscellaneous electronics. Down here we have like phones, radios, mixing boards, all kinds of stuff, just basically larger electronics. Smaller electronics down here, all organized into labeled bins. We'll probably get those in a better spot than just on the ground. We generally try to keep the larger electronics together, but when they overflowed from our previous large electronics area, we just had to kind of start throwing them up here. Let's see, we've got sewing machines. In the back, behind Henry back there, we have some medical equipment and power tools. Power tools up here also. Let's see, printers, computers, keyboards, video game stuff all around here. And then up here on top, we have all of our box things stacked pretty well. That's why we put them all on top and just stack them all up there. Let's see, golf clubs obviously. And then records, like audio, speakers, things like that. That's all around here. And here we have anything that's kind of like VCR, DVD player shaped. Projectors, more smaller box stuff. And then back here we just have overflow of speakers, DVD players, records, and shipping supplies. That's all here.
And then what is all this over here?
These are shoes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's why it's so cool to document everything because you kind of see our progress of how many feet in my mom's backyard do we have? Like 200?
Yeah, maybe like, about 200 square feet.
200 square feet?
Wow.
Yeah. And then now we should have had 5,000. We got swooped out. So we're either thinking about, because there's two things we get in. We get in this stuff, which is our main source of income, right? Really unique, rare things that we can ship out. So we do only really shipping, and we get furniture. Our back end's pretty good. It's just the front end, this stuff is what we're having problems with, you know?
Yeah.
I can deal with the back end pretty easy. It's just like, I don't have the experience of hiring people in the sense of like, people do certain tasks. I can do that online easily, just get a couple VAs to do that kind of stuff. That's what I know.
Yeah.
So if you have more intelligence about that than we do, help us out more as much.
What's your favorite part about the warehouse?
What's my favorite? There's some really interesting things in here. Like, I'd be excited to go through and just look. Yeah, I just keep like catching little things here and there, and still the police lights are still my favorite so far.
Oh yeah.
So, and I definitely want to check out the guns later. So,
You want to start taking photos and figure this shit out? And we'll go from the very basics.
Might as well get going. We're gonna use both tables, right?
Yeah, both tables, all four of us.
We're gonna get some photoing done.
Everybody.
What? Just go on it for like 2 hours?
Yeah, try to crush the majority of it out.
Up and down.
I'll go grab the rest of the lights.
Yeah, grab the flames and grab the extra cameras. here today with make some shoes at Chaz's Leather out in Scottsdale, Arizona. We'll check it out, see what we can do for us.
It smells like leather in here.
Yeah, this time of year it smells pretty good. Being up.
So we got a new pair of boots too, but the shoes are for one of the Savers execs.